Bob's Repair AC and Solar Experts was founded in 2016 as a family-owned business with a goal to change the industry in air conditioning and heating, one home at a time. And joining us now is lead estimator Matthew Mims to share how that mission is going and how you can be a part of it. Good morning, Matthew. How you doing?
Good morning. Good to see you.
So, Bob's Repair, you guys have been here, like we said, since 2016. How have things changed since that first year with the company?
Yeah. That's when we founded the company, 2016. We were originally just a HVAC contractor, so we just did heating and air conditioning, and the business at the time was just founded upon by the owner Fred in regards to just being honest and being reliable, and then being a locally owned company. And that's just what we've tried to provide to customers over that time, and it's a pretty good business model as it turns out. So
this time of year clearly has to be one of the busiest time of year for you guys. I mean, I'm guessing fall as well, with people getting their heating systems ready, but making sure people are prepared for, I mean, the rest of this week is 100. We're starting to hit those 3-digit temperatures. So is this a busy time of year for you guys? Are you constantly working, taking calls, going to make appointments?
Yeah, this is it. Like when the news comes on, it kicks to 100 degrees. It's go time. So for the next 4 months, it's buckle up and get ready for it. So it's still, if your unit's still working, it's like we implore you, like, please get it looked at, have a technician come out, give it a tune-up, have it looked at, see if there's something that needs to be repaired on it, or if it's like a considerable replacement, because when it's working, it's a lot better for you than if it goes out. It's crisis mode then,
yeah,
so.
When it's working this time of year, it's a beautiful thing. When it's not, it's a panic station situation. So with that in mind, and our viewers watching right now, there's bound to be someone out there who's either been putting it off or hasn't turned it on yet. But what should viewers do in preparedness for the summer months ahead? Is there anything they can do before they call you guys up? Do they need to call you guys up? Because clearly, you guys are booked up for appointments, or getting close to being booked up for appointments, a number of weeks in advance.
Yeah, they just do basic things. They can make sure their filters are changed out, ready to go for summertime, make sure they set their thermostats appropriately for the summer months, because it's obviously changed since, the winter time. So have those set up appropriately for the home so it maintains the temperature. And then no matter what, that they'll never know, they have to call a technician out to have it looked at to make sure that there's no air conditioning components that are, shorting or causing issues that they not see right now. And it might be an issue today, but in, a week's time when it gets 100, it could change. So still have it looked at, because then they can let you know and then say, hey, here's what you need for replacing or repairing if you do need something like that. So
repairing is one thing, replacing is something completely different. And just like with anything else, people should do their due diligence. So from an expert, as you are, Matthew, what should be people's due diligence? Depending on their needs for their own, their private house, whatever it is. What should people be hitting off or checking off to make sure they get the best HVAC system for their needs?
Yeah, if it comes down to, which is part of it, goes back to the core values of like us being like honest, where we have to go give you an honest assessment whether a replacement is better or if a repair would be more likely to be needed, where it's a couple factors like sizing. Is the unit size right for the house? Make sure it's cooling the home adequately. The brand you use, we use Train, been around for decades, really reliable. The efficiency, how efficient do you want the unit to become? That'll dictate the price mostly. Whether you go gas, whether you go electric, people are going solar, they're going electric, and then ultimately having a legitimate company to put it in for you. That's the biggest success for the unit and its functionality. So make sure you get a good company to put it in when you do it.
You mentioned solar during that answer, and something that people, you see it all over the valley right now because of the abundance of sunshine all the time. But people are starting to lean towards that and the benefits of it. Again, I'm sure viewers have inundated you with requests about that when you make appointments. How do people choose the right fit for them, and if solar is the right option for them too?
Yeah, it's all depending on the customer. So not every home is necessarily good for it, but it's very hard to find situations where solar doesn't benefit customers there. So everything's tailored to each person. You look at their home, different engineering plans for each of them, how many panels they need, what best fits their home. They can combine HVAC with that. They can do lots of different things for it, but most homes in Las Vegas can benefit from having solar, and it ultimately becomes a cost savings for them down the road. So it's worth having it looked at just to see. So
with a company such as yours, it's a family-owned business, and obviously you look to operate as a family. So you guys come with a special offer today as well.
Yeah, always. If you do an in-person solar quote, then we'll give you that free tune-up that we talked about earlier, like that's desperate for this time of year. So have a free solar quote, no strings attached to it, and then get a tune-up on the AC to make sure you're good for the summertime. So they're happy to look at it for you.
And with that, guys, remember, make sure you are prepared and you call these people up with plenty of advance, because you're not the only person who's got that same thing going on right now, right?
Correct.
Because it's a very important time of year. So for more information and to take advantage of that special offer, head to bubsrepair.com.